Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're back again for another tech unboxing and we're going to feature this time a new earbuds. This is from Redmi Philippines. So this is the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. Ngayon ako makagamit nito, no? So I'm very excited to try it. Tama-tama pupunta ako ng Cebu for the Redmi Note 15 event. Tama-tama. At gagawin ko to, doon ko itetest tong Redmi Buds 8 Lite. Although late itong aking video dahil you're watching this, today is January 15, launching na nitong earbuds ito from Redmi, the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So before we unbox this, let's discuss ko muna yung tech rundown natin, tech specs rundown ni Redmi Buds 8 Lite. Ang haba ng pangalan niya, Redmi Buds 8 Lite. O yan, gagamitin ko na to yung aking bagong earbuds to listening music sa aking Spotify, taking calls, playing mobile games, at marami pang iba pa. So, kasi maganda to, meron siyang noise cancelling. Alright, let's do this. Tech specs muna tayo. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, ito na yung tech specs ni Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So, meron siyang up to 42 decibel wide frequency active noise cancellation. So, maganda to, no? At least, yung mga surrounding noise sa paligid mo, mabablock niya, at yung clear crystal music or sound nung sa earbuds, yun lang yung maririnig nyo. Kailangan natin yun sa mga earbuds natin ngayon, kaya kailangan mayroong active noise cancellation siya. So this is very good, no? Gusto ko yung ganong feature. At meron siyang dual mic AI noise reduction for clear calls. So sa pag-take ng calls, so meron siyang dual mic AI noise, so hindi maririnig yung mga traffic, for example, traffic, mga beeping sound, mga music sa malls or sa car. So, take ka ng calls, yung voice nyo dun sa microphone, yung voice nyo lang yung maririnig. So, that's good na rin din, no? At meron siyang super wind noise reduction. So, where you're listening, no, kung may mga hangin or any tapat ka ng electric fan, so nare-reduce niya yung yung blow ng hangin, no. So walang kumbaga distraction if you're listening to music or you're taking calls, no. So meron siyang 12.4mm titanium diaphragm driver for detailed sound. Ito yung technology sa loob ng earbuds, kaya mas maganda yung crystal clear sound or music doon sa earbuds. So meron siyang 12.4mm titanium diaphragm driver. Ito kumbaga, ito yung heart ng earbuds nyo, no? At meron siyang customizable EQ settings for every track and mood. That's yung kanyang Xiaomi earbuds app na ginagamit, no? Xiaomi yung kanyang earbuds app. At meron siyang up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, up to 36 hours of extended battery life with charging case. So pagka earbuds, that's 8 hours. Pagkasama yung charging case, you can get 36 hours, no? At meron siyang super fast charging up to 10 minutes and listen to music for 2 hours. Kahit nakapag-charge ka ng 10 minutes, that's good for 2 hours na kagad ng listening ng music, no? At meron siyang high quality audio for SBC and AAC audio decoding. Kaya mas maganda yung music natin, gawa nitong encoding na to, no? Mas clear yung music, hindi siya parang muff. It's very clear, maganda yung yung translation ng kumbaga software or yung streaming dun sa earbuds, so yung music niya mas super clear. At meron siyang IP54 rating for sweat and rain splashes resistance. So kahit pawisan-pawisan ka, you're jogging or doing sports, tas parang umulan, naglalakad ka, so don't worry, no, yung earbud, it's still protected with the IP54 rating. For the battery specs naman niya, meron siyang 45 mAh for the earbuds. So may earbuds niya, may battery, no. At sa charging case niya is 465 mAh. At yun nga, I can do 1.5 hours of charging time. For the other specs naman, gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C port. Bluetooth niya is 5.4. Yung Bluetooth range niya is 10 meters kahit malayo kayo dun sa, for example, sa phone nyo. For example, the Redmi Note 15. At naka-pair na yan dyan. Prepare natin yan mamaya. Kahit malayo yung phone nyo, narinig nyo pa rin yung music. At meron siyang dual device connectivity. It means that pag nakikinig ka ng music at merong calls, automatic magsuswitch siya dun sa calls na yon. At you can also, I think you can also pair it with other devices, no? As faster na hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming settings, no? At meron siyang Google Fast Pair. Kumbaga parang NFC thing yata ito, nade-detect ng phone ninyo yung earbuds, yung Redmi Buds 8 Lite, nade-detect niya at tatanungin ka kung gusto nyo mag-connect. May ganung feature, gusto ko yung napakadali. Mamaya, tatry natin yan. At meron siyang smart tap control, double tap to play or pause, or answer or end calls. Tapos triple tap for skip track, tapos pag long press naman to active the noise control. Uy, galing. 3 tap, skip. Double tap, play, pause, or answer call or end call. Long press for the active noise cancelling. For the app, no, meron siyang Xiaomi Earbuds app, which is i-download nyo sa inyong phone. Ayan, sa Redmi Note 15, i-install ko na yan. For the custom equalizer settings, at ang available body color niya is blue, black, and white. And I got the black color. Ito, literal na black color talaga to, no? Yes, it's black. Black nakalagay eh. Black color. At ang SRP niya, launching siya ngayon, January 15. It's 1,999. Napakamura, grabe na available na sa stores and also online ni Xiaomi. Alright, so that's it for the tech specs rundown. Medyo ganado tayo mag-unboxing ngayon. No? Tama-tama kasi pupunta ako ng Cebu bukas at itetest ko to using the Redmi Buds 8 Lite at i-prepare ko sa aking Redmi Note 15, di ba? Thank you, Redmi, for this. I'm very excited. Talagang perfect combo for this trip. Alright, unbox na natin to at i-pair na natin para magamitin natin sa ating Cebu trip with Redmi. Alright, let's do this. Alright, to yung kasama niya, no? May kasama siyang manual, yung mga earbuds na sizes, to different kinds of sizes na earbuds, at saka yung unit na Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So ito yung itsura niya, ito yung charging case niya. So ito siya, color black, no? Ganda yung color black, no? Hindi siya madumihin. So ito yung itsura niya. So i-prepare pa natin to, no? So ito yung itsura niya. I think yung earbuds tip, it's kasize ko na yata, no? So we're going to try this na rin din. Pero but first, we need to pair this to our app. So before I do that is I need to get my phone. Ito. This is the Redmi Note 15. So on na natin to. Okay. At i-on natin yung Bluetooth. Yan, on ko na yung Bluetooth, no? I think it will automatically connect, no? So, I guess I need to open this. Hindi na ako nagbasa ng manual, no? So, ito pala yung charging niya, yung USB Type-C. So, there's a button here. At least, I need to press this, no? Para mag-pair siya. I think kailangan na siyang i-pair siya. Ipipindutin ko to eh. Ayan, para mag-pair siya. So, it's blinking. Ayan, yun na yung sinasabi ko. Ang galing, oh. Nag-activate siya. Di ko na kailangan mag-connect. Na, kumbaga, pumunta sa Bluetooth. No? So, I'll just click connect. It will connect smoothly. Yun ang pinakang gusto ko dito sa Redmi, no? Napakadali lang niyang kausap. At setup na natin. Click setup. Automatic nag-open na yung app. And so meron siyang case niya is 95%, yung left and right is 95%. So I need to press this, agree, access location, agree. All right. So region is Philippines. So I think we're doing a setup na, no, nung through the phone. So kailangan niya ng firmware update, so noise cancellation, okay daw. Find earphones, meron siya ear detection, meron siya start, transfer vibe. So I need to alam muna, no, allow natin to. I need to download the firmware. Tama ba? Ito na nasa app na tayo. I guess we're connected na, no? We're connected na. So yung noise cancellation naka-off pa. So mamaya i-test natin, no. Tayo sa transparency at tayo gumana. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nasusuot eh, no? So, kaya suotin ko na muna. So, suotin ko na muna to. Okay? In-off ko muna, then i-on ko ulit para mag-connect siya. So, susuot ko na to. Susuotin ko na, lagyan mo sa tenga ko at mamaya para maset natin yung audio niya. Alright. Nakaset na kagad sa noise cancellation, no? So, may off. It will activate pala pag suot-suot mo. Noise cancellation, transparency. Doon tayo sa off. So, I need to switch to the may tumutunog na bing, bing, bing. Ganon. Galing, galing. Bawat switch ko, may tumutunog na bling. Ganon. So, punta tayo ngayon sa aking Spotify. Spotify ako dito. Let's play some music, but transfer muna ako sa front camera para makita niyo ako. Nagamit-gamit ko yung Redmi Buds 8 Lite. Wait lang. Alright, so suot ko na yung Redmi Buds 8 Lite. No? Hindi nyo maririnig yung music, hindi nyo marinig yung music. So, ako lang. So, yung tip niya, no, yung tip, it's perfect for my ear. Okay na rin din siya. At yung charging case, I need to close it. Ayan, kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit. And I'm here sa aking Redmi Note 15. Magpa-play tayo ng music. Let's play Glycerin. Usually, talaga test ako. Glycerin kaagad eh. Ito yung aking Spotify. So, napapakinggan ko na siya. Full blast natin. Medyo mahina pa for me. Laksan natin. Wow. Okay. So, nakaano pa tayo niyan? Naka-off pa yung noise reduction. Kiklik ko yung noise cancelling. Wow! Mas maganda yung tunog. For transparency, maririnig mo yung mga sound sa labas. Kasi tahimik naman dito, wala naman ako marinig. So, doon tayo sa noise cancellation. Maganda yung tunog niya. Maganda. So, ayun. Okay siya for me. Ito yung gamitin ko sa Cebu. So, try natin yung double tap. Hindi gumagana. Nag-stop. So, tap natin ulit para mag-play. Pag tap ko, may tumutulog na tuk-tuk. Ganon. So, try natin yung long press. Nag-disable yung noise cancelling. Check nga natin kung nag-cancel siya. Yes, nag-off. Nag-off siya. So, pipindutin ko ulit long press para ma-on ko yung noise cancelling. Nag-switch. Galing, grabe. Ang galing. Super saya. Meron siyang gesture control eh. Oh. Ano ba to? You can program yung gesture control. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin to. Parang pwedeng right or left mo, i-switch yung control, no? So, okay. So, ayan. Stop ko na muna yung aking Glycerin Bush. Ito yung pan-testing ko talaga kasi ang ganda lang guitars ng Glycerin. So, ayun. Hindi ko na marinig yung boses ko. Tanggalin ko na to. Alakas na ng boses ko, no? So, that's it for our unboxing at test ng Redmi Buds 8 Lite. Napaganda. I'm very excited for my Cebu trip. At eto na yung gagamitin ko. Huwag na sana mahulog, no? Kasi may nahulugan na ako ng earbuds sa aeroplano. Hindi ko na siya nakita. So, I guess, eto, very fit naman yung tenga ko. Very fit naman siya. Hindi siya mahuhulog kahit igalaw-galaw ko yung tenga ko. Very fit naman siya. Very fit naman siya. Mas gusto ko yung magantong style na talagang pasok sa tenga, talagang solid, no, na nakapasok siya na hindi siya matatanggal. Nagulo na yung aking buhok. So, ayun, that's it guys for our tech unboxing. Napakaganda nito at i-charge ko na to ng mabuti. At so, meron pa siyang 100% eh. 100%. Napakaganda nitong Redmi Buds 8 Lite from Redmi, no, from Xiaomi, no, napakaganda. So ayun, I'll end of my video here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Gagawa tayo ng mga test nito. I-sync ko na sa video while I'm in Cebu with Redmi. Alright? Thank you guys and see you soon.